So yes guys, what is happening and welcome back to another video. Apologies about the delay in content, we haven't been posting for a little while. Today we're going to give you a little update, take you guys for a little drive and yeah, just tell you guys a little bit about what's been happening and where we're going to go with the future of the channel. So drop a like and a subscribe and we'll see you guys in a second. But yes guys, like I did say, we're going to give you guys a little update about what's been happening with the channel. So I know we haven't uploaded in a while, but to be honest, we've been through a lot of things, just been really busy to be fair. And we just really never had the time to actually link up and get content.
So yeah, obviously the past few months have been a bit busy for us. Obviously we've had a lot going on. We have got content planned for the future, the next coming weeks, next coming months, so we thought we'd get this video and share obviously what's to expect in the future and whatnot. So yeah, just going to take you for a drive in the VXR, talk a bit more about what we're going to do in the future.
Now on as well guys, we're going to be aiming to at least post at least minimum once a week. I think the last video we did was when we did the Golf R review, the Mark 8, so if you haven't watched that, make sure you guys go check that out. We're going to have a lot more features coming as well this year, and a lot of people that we've done features in the past, we're going to link up with them again, get them back on the channel. I believe the VRS that we did, I think he's mapped it up now, he's put turbo on it, so hopefully we'll get Julian back on the channel as well. I know you guys liked that video, PD130, that car was an absolute animal. We've got a few other cars, we've got a Mark 5 GTI as well, which we might be doing a video on as well, edition 30. So if we can get hold of the car, we'll probably do a video on that. But like I said, we've got some interesting news as well, a little thing that we're starting soon, which I will get into more detail a bit later on in the video. So even regarding the VXR as well, what we're going to be doing content wise, we do have some good news and we've got some bad news as well, innit? Yeah,
we've got some bad news as well, but we won't say too much in this video. Obviously this is just an update video for you guys, a little catch up, let you know what's been going on and what's to come. But in the next video that we do record, we are going to be doing a video on the VXR, explaining what's happening with it and whatnot. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for that one as well.
In terms of the future as well guys, we did say we're starting a detailing business in the past, but obviously now we're actually going forward with it because we're going up to winter and we kind of laid off a bit. We didn't really do nothing, but we've got price lists made, leaflets made, and we're going to be going full force in it this year, hopefully. We're going to be jumping on a course as well, so obviously we want to learn all the ceramic coatings, the machine polishing, but we'll have a separate like kind of, we're thinking of doing like a little video series of starting a business together. Like I said, we might do like a little day in the life as well, and what we get up to day to day. And like I said, obviously when we're not at work, we're just filming content and staying busy, but yeah, we have got another video, like I said, after this where we're going to be going through our price list and we'll show you guys all the packages that we have. And if you guys are interested, obviously you can hit us up. Obviously we'll come down to you can do your car, but yeah, there's a lot of interesting things we've got lined up hopefully for this summer.
And we've also got a lot of shows planned as well this summer. Last year we didn't really go to many, I think we only went to like one, but this year we have got plans to go to a lot of shows. Obviously we've got Gaston Track, Gravity, Santa Pod as well. There's a lot of shows on there, so we will be there guys, and we'll see most of you guys there anyway. But yeah, detailing as well, we will be doing a video on that soon. Obviously we're getting the price list printed, the leaflets, the cards. We will be getting a separate video on that. Obviously we don't want to throw everything in one video. So yeah, we've got a lot of interesting content on that too.
We were thinking to do a bit of an interesting video as well, showing the difference of what your car is like when you go to a hand car wash and the difference that our services as a one will provide. Because a lot of you guys, I know a lot of people do wash their cars themselves as well. I was thinking to go to a hand car wash and show you the difference as well and how they wash cars and why we're different to them. Obviously, as you guys know, that detailing is a whole complete different art. You got to take care with the car. Obviously hand car washes, they don't do that. Scratch and shine obviously is what they're known as, isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, that's another interesting video we're going to be having as well. But like I said, like it's just more or less just being too inactive and we haven't been posting, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of get this up to show you guys that yeah, we are still, you know, posting content. Even though we've been a bit inactive, like we're still, you know, gonna have a lot more regular uploads coming for you guys.
Stay tuned, obviously we do have a lot of content on the way. Obviously minimum, like we said, one video a week. We're gonna get two in if we can, but 100% every week we're gonna be getting content out there like we did before. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for that as well. And obviously if you do want your car features on the channel, then just let us know. Also follow our Instagrams as well, shifting_gears. And we also got a detailing page as well, so make sure you guys follow on that. We are posting regular content on there also, so follow both of our Instagram pages. We'll leave all links down below in the description, so yeah, check them out.
Also as well guys, it'd be interesting to see what else you guys want to see. If there's something that we're not doing on the channel and there's something that you guys want to see, give us some suggestions. Obviously it'll be nice. we can get different type of videos. For example, if some of you wanted to see more POVs, we can do that as well. But like I said, like, give us some suggestions what you guys want to see, and like I said, we can probably start filming and getting more ideas. We'd probably like to collaborate with a few more YouTubers as well. I know we was meant to do a few last year. We was meant to go see Andy as well, so hopefully this summer we can go down and see him. Obviously we'll link his channel. Yeah, make sure you guys drop him a little follow. But yeah, we was meant to link him last year, but obviously just too many things going on. This year we could stay more focused. And yeah, just crack on with what we've got to do. But like I said, we'll be seeing that feature as well, and a few other YouTubers which we'll be hopefully collaborating with us also. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions as well. People have been asking me, where's the Fiesta ST gone? My car did get stolen. As you guys can imagine, when you get your car stolen, it's a very it's quite an upsetting thing. As you guys know, we've spent a lot of time on that car, put a lot of energy into it, and yeah, unfortunately the ST did get stolen. So I thought I'd just give you guys a little update on what's going on with that. Yeah, I don't have the ST anymore. But yeah, like I said, just put that out there, give you guys a little bit of information, answer a few of the questions that you guys had, because I did get a lot of questions. But yeah, I hope that answers your question, guys, on regards to where the ST is. So yeah, like I said, we've got some interesting news on the VXR too. So yeah, it's not all negative. Like I said, we've been a bit negative, saying, oh, we haven't been posting and stuff.
But yeah, 100%. This summer we want to obviously get as much content out there as possible, and obviously with our detailing business, grow it as much as we can as well, because obviously the weather's gone good as well in the UK, so that's our plan.
Yeah, like right now, what we're coming up to almost May now, isn't it?
May, so, April, May it is now. So
weather is getting nice, it's picking up. There's a lot of shows that are coming on, like I said. Santapod's got quite a lot of shows as well, haven't they?
Yeah, 100%.
And I'm sure there's a lot of different meets as well. But like I said, we want to kind of get out there more. And take the cars out on road trips as well.
That's it.
So taking the VXR on a little road trip could be a good little venture to show you guys. Like I said, when we do go on road trips, we can get some POVs, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%. That's what we plan to do. Obviously POVs, obviously countryside, travel further away. So yeah, unfortunately guys, that is the end of today's video. Obviously just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on what's going, what future plans we have in store. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and obviously we've got a lot more content on the way, as we said. And obviously the next video that you see will be something to do with the VXR. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys in our next video.